Hey folks, if you're diving into the wild world of crypto, you're in for an exciting ride. The crypto market is booming, and there's no better time to get involved. But to navigate this complex landscape, you're gonna need the right tools in your arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete newbie, having the right apps can make all the difference. These apps can help you manage your investments, track market trends, and even earn some extra crypto on the side. Stick around because I've got the must-have apps for every savvy crypto investor. These apps are designed to make your crypto journey smoother, more efficient, and a lot more fun. And don't forget to check the link in the description below for a special offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this exclusive deal. Alright, let's kick things off with Coinbase. It's super user-friendly, perfect for beginners. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to buy, sell, and store your cryptos all in one place. Plus, they offer a cool feature called Coinbase Earn, where you can earn free crypto for learning about different altcoins. It's a fantastic way to expand your portfolio without spending a dime. Next up, we have Binance. It's perfect for those who want more options and lower fees. It's got a huge selection of altcoins, low trading fees, and advanced tools for those of you who like to geek out on charts. Now, let's talk about Blockfolio. It's a must-have for anyone who loves tracking their portfolio. It supports a ton of different cryptos and exchanges, and you get real-time updates on your investments. For those who want to keep things super secure, meet Ledger Live. This app works with your Ledger hardware wallet to give you an extra layer of security. You can manage your assets and even stake some of them right from the app. And finally, we've got Crypto.com. This all-in-one platform lets you buy, sell, and earn interest on your crypto. They even have a Visa card that lets you spend your crypto in the real world. So there you have it. The must-have apps for every crypto investor. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these tools will help you navigate the crypto seas. Don't forget to hit that link in the description for your special offer. Thanks for watching and happy investing.